iOS 26 kills language barriers, live translation in Messages app, FaceTime, and Phone app.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever tried to communicate with someone who speaks a totally different language? It's like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded, right? Frustrating. Well, get ready to say goodbye to those language barriers because iOS 26 is here and it's bringing a feature that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. We're talking about live translation powered by Apple Intelligence, and it's integrated right into your Messages, FaceTime, and even your Phone app. This isn't just a small update, it's a monumental leap in how we connect with the world.
So what exactly is live translation? Imagine this. You're texting a friend in Japan, having a video call with a client in Germany, or even on a phone call with family in Italy. Instead of fumbling with translation apps, iOS 26 does all the heavy lifting for you in real time, right inside the apps you already use. And the best part? It's all happening on device thanks to the incredible power of Apple Intelligence. That means your conversations stay private and secure. No cloud servers, just pure, seamless translation from your iPhone.
Let's kick things off with the Messages app. This is where most of us start our conversations, and live translation makes multilingual texting an absolute breeze. Picture this. I'm sending a message in English, and my friend, who only speaks Spanish, instantly sees it in Spanish. Then they reply in Spanish, and I see it in English. No copy-pasting, no switching apps, it's just flowing.
You'll see the translated text, but with a quick tap, you can always peek at the original message if you want to double check. It's smart, it's intuitive, and it completely removes that awkward language barrier from your text conversations.
To turn on live translation in Messages, just tap your contact's name at the top of the chat and switch on Automatically Translate. Then pick your language and download the translation pack. It's about 900 megabytes.
Once it's set up, your messages will show in both languages on your screen. And if your friend's using iOS 26 too, they'll see everything in their own language automatically.
You can also control how translations appear. Just tap the Translating Language tab and choose how you want to view the chat. See both languages, only your own, or pause translation whenever you like. Next up, FaceTime. This is where live translation truly shines, especially for spoken conversations. Imagine having a video call with someone, and even if you don't share a single common word, you can still understand each other. As you speak, your words are transcribed and then translated into captions, appearing right on your screen. It's like having your own personal real-time interpreter. This is perfect for international business calls, connecting with family abroad, or even making new friends without worrying about language gaps. And with your AirPods, it feels even more integrated. The audio translation, while not fully real-time spoken out loud in this version, is seamlessly tied to the captions, making the experience incredibly immersive. It's about visual understanding during spoken interactions. Let's see how to use live translation with the FaceTime app. On your iPhone, open the FaceTime app and start a FaceTime call, just like you normally would. While you're on the call, tap the More button and then choose Live Translation. Now select the languages for From and To. The first time you pick a language, it may take a few minutes to download. Next, tap Start Translation. From here, you'll hear spoken translations during your call. And if you'd like to turn it off, simply tap Stop at the top of the screen. Now for the really mind-blowing part, live translation in the Phone app. Yes, actual phone calls. This is where iOS 26 takes things to an entirely new level. When you enable this feature during a call, you speak in your language, and your iPhone translates your words and speaks them aloud to the person on the other end. And then what they say is translated and either played back to you or shown as a live text transcription on your screen. Think about that. No more awkward pauses. No more struggling to find the right words. It's effortless, natural communication across any language barrier. Whether it's customer service, booking an international trip, or just connecting with someone new, this is revolutionary.
Here's how to use live translation with the phone app. On your iPhone, open the phone app and start a call, just like you normally would. While you're on the call, tap the More button, then select Live Translation to translate your voice. Choose the languages for from and to. The first time you select a language, it may take a few minutes to download.
Next, tap Start Translation. You'll then hear spoken translations during the call. Just a quick heads up, this incredible power comes thanks to Apple Intelligence, so you'll need an iPhone 15 Pro or a newer model to experience the full magic of live translation. And again, I have to emphasize the privacy aspect. This entire system is designed for on-device processing. Your conversations aren't being sent up to some cloud server. Your private moments stay private right on your iPhone. That's a huge win for user trust. There you have it, folks. Live translation in iOS 26 is not just a feature, it's a paradigm shift in how we interact with a globalized world. It's powerful, private, and incredibly intuitive.
What do you think of this groundbreaking feature? Are you excited to try it out? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome tech content.